Yay, hi. How's it going? Happy sciencing. Yeah, getting there, getting through the 10. Here we go, what are we at? 8. Hydrogels. This is, again, stuff in the nappies. Alright. In the book, there's not a lot in this box, but you can have a lot of fun with what's in here. Not big. These magic water beans. Ooh, magic. You put these in the water and see what happens. I'm not going to tell you. No, I'll tell you what it is. What comes out, you get these little foamy, alien-looking creatures. And each one's a bit different. So you can predict, you can do so much with these to figure out what they are. But when they put them in the water, we were doing what we did yesterday. We put them in different temperatures of water. You can use your thermometers that you had before. Or because the outside melts. You don't tell the kids what happens. Let them put it in and see what happens. Cold water, it'd take a long time, like 15 minutes. But hot water takes about a minute or less. So you can look at how we made graphs, and you can see different temperatures take different amounts of time. Then a creature will emerge from here. That's good. Right. And then you can do the gel beads. I start the gel beads. You can either start them before class, and they can play with them, or you can just throw them into the mix. Whatever you're doing, it's just extremely engaging. The clear ones are a bit disappearing, so you can see how they're in there. I don't even see they're there, but so they're there. And then if you pour water in there, they become extremely invisible, and so you can say, "Hey, there's nothing in here. There's nothing in the glass, or is there?" It's really kind of cool. Even if you hold it right up to the sun or to a bright light, it looks like there's nothing there, but there is something there. And then and the colorful ones, these are just so fun. You can put them in the slime, you can put them in things, and they're just bouncy balls, and the kids will throw them around the room. You don't want to throw them around the room, but what they do is they absorb water, and they're really good. They're environmental. You can use them for environmental science, where you can say they use them in arid areas where there's not a lot of water. So once a plant, these are in the soil, it's kind of like a slow release mechanism or usage for water. So they hold on to the water and they slowly release it as the plant needs it. So you look at that as part of the water cycle. And I love the water cycle. Kids will like the water cycle. Just looking at, and you can draw a little picture that's in the book or use the book. Spend a lot of time on the water cycle, evaporation, condensation, precipitation, that whole cycle. And again, it's really good. It really relates to what we do in how we live our life. And also, when you look at the science capability of gathering and interpreting data, in TKI, it's good to have a look at that. Making puddles. So basically, it's just chucking heaps of water out on a sunny day out on the playground. Oh, you can even use it with the bowls. Just have a look at that. Really good in the water. And then you can measure the puddle and see how long it takes for them to evaporate and where does the water go. That's good. Recording how much time, how much water. And again, drawing the diagrams with labels in order to think about, record, and communicate experiences and information. So it's a really good writing task too. A lot to do with water, a lot of fun. So it's up to you to determine what you're going to do with the water beads. But that'll be great. See ya. Bye.